the questions then. So first one, does delivering a higher standard of inclusivity always mean spending more money? Are there free ways to be more inclusive? Is this something that we would associate with taking on additional costs for your business that you have to make a budget argument about? I wonder if anybody on the panel has experience dealing with or asking for additional budget for it, or whether they have some sort of low cost things that you can do to make your product more accessible today.
Yeah, I can take that one. Well, if it's interesting to follow up to this poll, because I think if you're interested in driving better customer experiences, then that's where you invest, right? That's where you put your money. And if you're in a business, and we think of it as not an extra cost, but redirecting the costs that you spend. If you're spending money on customer research and understanding what your customers really value, which hopefully you are, then you're doing work to understand how well your product resonates with your customer base. And so what this does is just simply say you are expanding your reach and your understanding of who your customer base is, and you're spending your money accordingly. Now, having said that, we definitely believe that you shouldn't ask for free work or free labor, especially from people with disabilities, to give you feedback on your product. Everybody has a different way of working with customer research. But one of the issues that we really think a lot about is how to treat the audience that we want to be inclusive of with respect, and to really compensate them fairly for their time that we're asking for. And so we have developed new relationships and do with vendor agencies, for example, who specialize in working with people with disabilities. And sometimes those things can be more expensive than working in a conventional way. But I feel like that's a sort of sign of where we are, as a tech industry. And hopefully won't be